Hello, let's replace European profile cylinder. So this is what I'm talking about. We're replacing it with a multi-lock one. You have two keys here. We just need a screwdriver. So Phillips and then lubricant if needed. So it's locked. We're just replacing just a generic one from the Yale keyway. So we're just taking out the screw that holds it in place. So just put it on and then just unscrew it. Should be good. Just a really long screw. Put it on the ground. We're just gonna pull it while turning. Ooh. Ooh. There it is. Cap it off, but we can install later. So when you're placing it, you want to have one that is of the same size. So you measure here to the middle of here. That's the first length, and then the second length is here to here. So this one is 35 by 60. So 35 is this length, and 60 is this length. Okay, let's install a new one. Just gonna put a cap back on. There we go. Just a hole right now. We're just gonna install a new one on. Multi-lock, let's do it. Put it in. Ooh, good. Looks good. Now we're gonna put the screw on. Into the hole we go. Just gotta push it in now, just so the screw fits. Gets on. Now, just gonna screw it back in. This is a pretty easy job to do. Just to screw a new cylinder. Maybe like a 5-minute job, if no diagnostics are needed. Good. Just tighten it up, test it out. So for this one, we have to pull up on the lever, turn it all the way to the end. It's locked. Turn it all the way over, unlocked. Let's try it without a key. Locked, you can pull it out, unlock it, good. We're just gonna spray some lubricant on, just to make it smoother. Oh, forgot to pull it out. Good. Good, I'm gonna try it with the door closed, just to make sure I don't adjust anything. Pull it up. There we go. There we go. Easy peasy. Job done. That was pretty quick. Thanks for watching.